Hi guys, I'm back with a mini album share. I know it's been a while, but it's been life and my other business, which I'm a full-time cake artist and my child and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I am back with a mini album share. As you can see, it's this. I made this for my best male friend. He just had a baby back in March. So I decided to make a mini album. So before we dive into this, I want to tell you guys I used the Hello Baby Boy collection from Echo Park, and here is the 12 by 12 paper pad. And we all know Echo Park is notorious for their paper collections, but for some reason with this specific collection, they had a 12 by 12 pad, and it's not double-sided as we think of Echo Park to be. It's actually single-sided. So as you can see, here are some pages I have left. I used one of these. I used one paper collection, the traditional collection with stickers in it and the cutter parts, and then I used one pack of their tags kit, and then I also used their digital collection, the paper and all of the die cut pieces from Snap Click Supply, which is my favorite store to get digital paper collections from. So if you're looking for something digital that you want to change up the images a little bit, the designs a little bit, personalize it a little bit more, go to Snap Click Supply. They offer a lot of different companies. The one they don't offer is Simple Stories, but if you go on simplestories.com website, you'll be able to buy their digital collections on there. So that's just a little FYI. So let's get into it, shall we? So the cover is pretty big. It's 8 by 9, and then the pages are 7.5. No, the pages are 7 by 8.5. I'll double check before we get into it. But here's the front cover. I also bought the brads from the collection, and I just clipped the little prongs off the back and hot glued them on the front. This ribbon I got from Michaels. This yellow ribbon I got from Michaels. The spine is wrapped in this really soft velvet cardstock from Doodlebug that I picked up somewhere, so it was in my stash. Of course, these papers are from the paper collection. This is from the little tags pack, as well as this, and this. Right here are from the digital collection, so I just put them together. This is a little sticker. I put some glossy accents on the O and on the top of the baby bottle. I added some stickles to here on the wheels, and then the heart. My best friend's name is Kenneth, so he decided to name their baby after him, so the name of the baby is Kenneth Jr. I just added a little wink of Stella to the name, not to make it too girly, but I wanted to add something a little. This blue ribbon I got from Michaels, and then this is another brad from the collection. This is what the back looks like. It is pretty heavy. It is 6 pages double-sided because I did a monthly album, so each side of those 6 pages is a month, so it's 12 pages for the 12 months. So let's get into it, shall we? So here we go. As you can see, it's pretty big. So let's double check those pages. Those pages are 8.5 by 7, which I was right. So here is the first pocket. Oh, and I used the chipboard pieces as well. So this is the chipboard piece. It says welcome little one. This here I created from the digital collection. It has all the baby's birth information here. This is the coordinated cardstock, and then this is a digital die cut that I just added this information to. Here is the inside pocket, because you guys know most of the time I do big inside pockets to hold lots of things. This is a chipboard piece I double matted with paper from the collection. And because they're not crafty people at all, I don't have my stamps yet, so I put exactly what size photo goes on all of the photo mats. So I did that for every single photo. And then here's a little, this also is a little digital collection piece. It was smaller, I blew it up, so if she wants to journal on the back of it, she can. I just added some white ribbon. So we're gonna stick all of that back in here. Here is the first page. The page styles are all the exact same. I wanted to make it easy as possible. They're just designed a little bit. So the front page has a magnetized closure here. And then they can put a picture on the back of this as well if they want. And then each page has the number. So this is month 1. This is a little doll sticker shaker that I got from Michaels. It's so cute. So you flip it up, and there's room for a 4x6 photo here, and then in each pocket for each page there is a month card, so they can put the date, the height, the weight, and then all the baby's milestones here. And if they want, they can put a picture on the back, or she can continue writing on the back. This is just a 4x6, and here is a 4x4. And then each has a pocket. They're pocket pages. So here is the bigger pull-out photo mat for this. And then I just put some journaling lines down here. This album, I started it when he called me to tell me that she had the baby, and then like I said, life happened, and then I actually finished it up last week, which is why I'm recording it, because it will be getting mailed out tomorrow to them. Here is page 2. As you can see here, it's magnetized. We have a pocket with a little chipboard piece here, so that's what the pocket looks like. We have a 3x5, the 2-month card, a cut apart from the collection, and then just another blank photo mat here. This album holds a lot of photos. I didn't even count, but I can tell based on the amount of photo mats I created for this thing probably, I want to say, maybe holds easily 75 photos or more. So here's a spot for a 5x7. Here's a little tuck spot for a 4x4. This is from the digital collection as well. It pops up. You can put a 4x6 here, and then they can put a bigger picture here, just admire the paper. So that goes like that. Here is page 3. This is a sticker. This is the cut apart from the collection for Babies First, and then they can put a 3x4 photo on the back. And then 3 of the pages aren't magnetized on the pocket side, so I got these cute gold jumbo paper clips that I got from Michaels. So you flip it up, 4x6 photo here. Here are and I believe this is a booklet, yep. So here are the other 2 that go in there. And you just paper clip it back, just like that, with the card. There's some more chipboard pieces from the collection. Here is the pocket mat, and they're all different. So I put 4 2x2s here, and some journaling spots. I wanted it to be simple but interactive as well. Here is month 4. A 4x4, the card, and then a 4x6 mat. This is also from the collection as well. I just backed it on cardstock and glued it up for different interests. The stickers from the collection as well. Here's some spots for 3x4. Here's a sticker. I cut these out from one of the scrapbook papers and then layered them up on the coordinating cardstock. And then it says sweet little memories here. 4x6 goes there, and then you just have a spot for a bigger photo. We have month 5 with this cute little lion, another shaker sticker. This one is magnetized. Here's another wrap from the collection. You flip it up, 4x6 photo. And then there we go. And here's a little cute 3x5. And these pockets can fit more, but I didn't know if there were how many pictures they were going to take, and since it holds so many as well, so I just stopped after a certain point. Here we go. Here is the mat for the pocket, and this is a sticker. 4x6 and a 3x4 from the tags collection, and then a sticker. This side wasn't magnetized either, because once you put pictures in, it's going to be so heavy that it'll be fine. Here's in the pocket. This is month 6, where the sticker from the collection. I popped this up on foam tape. 3x4 from the collection. Another 3x4. A monthly card. Photo mat. And then this one is a booklet that flips up for more 4x6 photos. 5x7. We have a 3x4 here. This is a cut apart as well. I believe this is a digital kit that I just messed around with. Here you go, a spot for a 4x4 and a 2x2, and a spot for a bigger picture. It would have to be a seriously cropped down 8x10, so I would probably say it'll fit a 5x7, as you can see, very comfortably, or two 4x6. Yep, two 4x6s will fit here since the page is 8.5. Here is month 7. There's the chipboard. 7, it says Memories of You. Flip it up. 3x4 here, and this is open, so if they want to stick something right there, they can. We have this one, this 4x6, which is from the digital collection. As you can see, I shrunk it down. And then another little booklet. In my printer that I use to print my digital collections, I just have a regular Canon printer. I buy my cardstock on Amazon, and it's 80 pounds. Let me see if I have it so I can show you guys. This is the one that I use for my photo mats. It's Desktop Publishing. It's 80 pound cover, white, smooth cardstock, and it's 80 pound. This is a 50 pack sheet, so you guys can see it. It's really smooth. I like it. The colors come out really well, and then I don't use standard printing when I do digital images. I use the high option, so that's just another little trick that I've learned. Here is the pullout that goes in there. Here is month 8. Another chipboard piece, 2 brad pieces. This is from the collection. I just popped that up on some foam tape. 3x4 and 3x5. The monthly card and a 4. Is this a booklet? Yep. 4x6. You open it up. This one is magnetized. Oh, I forgot to put 5x7 there. I have to put that there before I mail it out. This is a 4x6 card from the collection, a little sticker, and then it's a little area for 2x2 photos. Another little shaker sticker. This is magnetized. It says, "Sleep all day, party all night." I thought that was cute. You fold it up for a 2x2 and a 4x4. Then you have the monthly card, and then you have a 4x6. And then you make sure you got it. The only thing about when you do these, you have to make sure you put them on right, or the magnets that you go won't attract to each other. They'll slide around. Here is the pull out, and then it's just blew up from the digital collection Babies First. So she wants to stick like, you know, when the baby starts crawling or something like that, she can, and just put it here in the date. And then we have a 3x4 and a 4x6 in the back. I buy my magnets from eBay. They are the flat disc magnets, if anybody's curious to know. And now I've realized that Amazon sells them as well. So if you have Prime like I do, you can go right to Amazon Prime. So I just ordered some bigger ones. So here we go. We have another pocket. This is month 10. This is a chipboard piece, another brad from the collection. We have a 3x4, the monthly card, and then a 4x6. And then room for 4x4. And as you can see, there are 2 magnets here. 4x6, 3x4, and then space for a bigger photo. Month 11. You flip it up. It holds a 4x4. I left this open so she can put in a 2x2. The monthly card, 4x6. This is a booklet, 12 4x6s. And then this is just a regular photo mat. This goes in the back because this is a slightly taller one. And there you go. Boop. Here we go. We have the last pull out here. I cut this out from the collection as well. 4x6 and then some journaling spots here. And then here, friends, is month 12. And it is also magnetized. It's so cute. It says tiny little precious boy for a 3x4. Here's the chipboard piece. Here's the month 12 with a little squirrel sticker from the collection. Here's a 3x4. The 12-month card. And is this a booklet? Yes, it is. Yeah, when I do baby books, I try to do a page for each month. So they end up being really chunky books, but the parents can take lots of pictures. So they can put, you know, 5x7 here. I created this using the digital kit. This is how you can create your own new, like, pattern paper if you wanted to from the digital collection by just adding in. These were all digital pieces, and I just grouped them together on my silhouette. And then here you go. Just decorative here, and then another space for that big birthday photo can go right there. And then here is the back pocket. We have 3x5. This says "Oh Baby." It's 4x6, and then another 4x6 booklet here. And then here's a chipboard piece that says "Something tells me I am going to love you forever." So that is it. Oh, I forgot to tell you how thick the spine is, since it is 6 double-sided pages. It is, got my ruler backwards. It is 3 inches wide, and as you can see, I used Kathy Order King's Hidden Hinge, but this is the Hidden Hinge Plus. So as you can see, they lay flat. Like, they're kind of chunky each page, but they lay flat because it's the Plus. So it has an extra hinge that allows them to hang flat. So I just wanted to say thank you guys. I will be back more frequently now since things have slowed down a bit for me on my cake side of my business. Graduation season is almost officially over. Prom season is over. Now I can concentrate on scrapbooking. So until next time, guys. Bye-bye.